Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Kingman, Arizona sits at the crossroad of history in the northwestern corner of the state. It is a desert town shaped by transportation, movement, and the steady flow of people passing through the American Southwest. The town began in the late 1800s as a railroad settlement along the Atlantic and Pacific Railroad. Its location made it a natural stopping point between the Colorado River and the high desert interior. From the beginning, Kingman existed to serve travelers, freight, and industry tied to westward expansion. Mining played an early role in the town's growth. Nearby mineral deposits brought prospectors and workers into the area, supporting small communities and supply routes. Kingman developed as a service center providing housing, repairs, and logistics for surrounding mining operations. One of Kingman's most defining chapters came with the rise of Route 66. When the highway was established in the 1920s, it passed directly through town. Kingman became a key stop for motorists crossing Arizona, offering fuel, food, and rest before long desert stretches in either direction. During the mid-20th century, Route 66 brought constant traffic. Motels, diners, and roadside businesses flourished, giving Kingman a lively, transient atmosphere. The town became associated with long-distance travel and the culture of the open road. That traffic declined when Interstate 40 bypassed Route 66. Like many towns along the old highway, Kingman faced economic adjustment. Some businesses closed, while others adapted and embraced Route 66 heritage and tourism. Today, Kingman balances its past with modern life. Historic buildings remain alongside newer developments. Elements of Route 66 culture are preserved, not as a theme park, but as part of the town's identity. The surrounding landscape plays a major role in shaping Kingman's character. High desert terrain, white skies, and distant mountain ranges give the town a sense of openness. Summers are hot, winters can be surprisingly cold, and the climate reflects its elevation rather than the low desert commonly associated with Arizona. Kingman is not a destination built around spectacle. It is a place defined by movement, history, and resilience. For travelers passing through or stopping briefly, it offers a grounded snapshot of how transportation routes help shape towns across the American Southwest.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.